meeting a new classmate.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you. I'm Lisa. I just started this class today.
Welcome. I'm Tom. I've been in this class for 3 weeks.
Oh, great. So you know how it works here.
Yes, a little. The teacher is very nice and patient.
That's good to hear. I was nervous about joining late.
Don't worry. Everyone here is very helpful.
What is your English level right now?
I'm intermediate. What about you?
I am beginner. My English is not very good yet.
That's okay. You're here to learn. That's what matters.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Where are you from originally, Lisa?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from Japan. I came here 5 months ago.
Wow, your English is really good for 5 months.
Thank you. I practice every day. That's my secret.
I will do the same. Maybe we can practice together?
That's a great idea. Let's exchange numbers after class.
Perfect. I'd really like that.
Me too. I think we're going to be good study partners.
I hope so. Thank you for being so friendly, Tom.
Of course. Good luck today, Lisa. You'll do great.
Meeting someone at work. Good morning. You must be the new employee. I'm David from accounting.
Good morning, David. Yes, I'm Rachel. I just started today.
Welcome to the company, Rachel. How are you feeling?
A little nervous, to be honest. Everything is so new.
That's completely normal. I felt the same on my first day.
Really? That makes me feel better. How long have you worked here?
6 years now. I really love it here.
That's great to hear. Is everyone here friendly?
Very friendly. You'll feel comfortable very quickly.
I hope so. What department are you in, David?
I'm in accounting. What about you?
I'm in marketing. It's my first marketing job, actually.
Congratulations. That's very exciting.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous about meeting my team.
Don't be. Your team leader, Cindy, is wonderful.
You know Cindy?
Yes, we've worked together for 3 years. She's very supportive.
That's so reassuring to hear. Thank you, David.
Of course. Hey, if you need anything, just come find me.
I really appreciate that. You've made me feel so welcome.
That's what we do here. We take care of each other.
I can already tell this is a great place to work.
It really is. Well, I should get back to my desk.
Of course. Thank you again, David. See you around.
See you around, Rachel. Good luck today. You'll be great.
Meeting a new neighbor. Hi there. I just moved in next door. My name is Sarah.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How long have you lived here?
About 3 years now. It's a really nice area.
That's good to hear. Is it quiet around here?
Yes, very quiet. Most neighbors are very friendly too.
That's great. I was a little nervous about moving here.
Don't be nervous at all. Everyone here is very welcoming.
That makes me feel better. Do you know any good restaurants nearby?
Yes, there's a great Italian place just 2 blocks away.
Perfect. I haven't had time to cook yet.
I understand. Moving is very tiring and stressful.
It really is. I still have so many boxes to unpack.
If you need any help, just knock on my door.
Thank you so much, Mike. That's very kind of you.
Of course, that's what neighbors are for.
I really appreciate that. Well, I should get back to unpacking.
Of course. Welcome again, Sarah. I hope you love it here.
Thank you. I'm sure I will. See you soon.
See you soon. Take care.
Meeting someone at a party. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Anna. Hi, Anna. I'm James. Are you a friend of David's? Yes, David and I work together. How do you know him? We went to university together. We've been friends for 10 years. Oh, wow. That's a long time. You must know him very well. Yes, he's like a brother to me. What kind of work do you do? I'm a graphic designer. What about you, James? I am a software engineer. I work for a tech company downtown. That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy it? I love it. Every day is different and challenging. That's how I feel about design, too. Really? What kind of designs do you make? Mostly logos and website designs for small businesses. That's amazing. I actually need a logo for my new project. Really? Tell me more about your project. I'm building a new app for language learners. Oh, that's so cool. I would love to help with that. That would be wonderful. Can I get your contact information? Of course. Here is my business card. Perfect. I'll email you next week if that's okay. Absolutely. I look forward to hearing from you. Great. This party turned out to be very productive. Huh, it really did. Nice meeting you, James. Nice meeting you too, Anna. Enjoy the rest of the party.
Hey, are you new here? I haven't seen you before.
Yes, I just joined yesterday. I'm Emma.
Welcome, Emma. I'm Chris. I've been coming here for 2 years.
Wow, 2 years. You must be very fit by now.
Ha, I try my best. Do you exercise regularly?
Not really. I want to start a healthy routine.
That's great. Starting is always the hardest part.
I know. I don't really know how to use the equipment.
I can show you the basics if you want.
Really? That would be so helpful. Thank you.
Of course. What are your fitness goals?
I want to lose some weight and feel stronger.
Those are great goals. Do you prefer cardio or weights?
Honestly, I don't know the difference yet.
No problem. Cardio is for burning calories. Weights build muscle.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. Which one should I start with?
I usually recommend starting with cardio for beginners.
Okay. How long should I do cardio each day?
Start with 20 minutes, then slowly increase the time.
That sounds manageable. What machine is good for beginners?
The treadmill is the easiest to start with.
Great. Can you show me how to use it?
Absolutely. Come on, I'll show you right now.
Thank you so much, Chris. You're very kind.
Happy to help. We were all beginners once.
That's true. I hope I can be as good as you someday.
You will be. Just stay consistent and never give up.
I will. Thanks again. I'm really glad I met you today.
Me too, Emma. See you next time.